Cryptocurrency. WBTC. Wrapped Bitcoin. Wrapped Bitcoin is the first TRC20 token-backed 1-1 with Bitcoin. WBTC brings greater liquidity to the Ethereum ecosystem, including decentralized exchanges and financial applications. Today, the majority of trading volume takes place on centralized exchanges with Bitcoin. WBTC changes that, bringing Bitcoin's liquidity to DEXs and making it possible to use Bitcoin for token trades. To receive WBTC, a user requests tokens from a merchant. The merchant then performs the required KYC or AML procedures and verifies the user's identity. Once this is completed, the user and merchant execute their swap, with Bitcoin from the user transferring to the merchant, and WBTC from the merchant transferring to the user.